two heavy hitters in the wireless world, Verizon and US Mobile, go head-to-head. Which carrier really delivers? On the left, Verizon, America's most reliable network. And on the right, US Mobile, famous for flexible plans and budget pricing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. So here's what we're going to look at. Let me walk you through the categories. We'll cover price, coverage and reliability, how flexible the plans are, 5G and data speeds, perks and extras, device compatibility, and commitment or contracts. Let's start at the top and take it piece by piece. Let's talk price. So Verizon, look, it's no secret. Their unlimited plans typically start at $65 to $70 a month. Honestly, that's about as premium as it gets for a major carrier. You do get nice perks if you spend up for those top-tier plans, but there are like 1,000 little fees sprinkled in too. Now flip that over to US Mobile. Here's where things get interesting. Their prepaid plans start at just $5. Yeah, 5. You can build your own plan, no contracts, and for nearly any data amount, it's way cheaper than Verizon. Sure, it's not the absolute cheapest of all MVNOs, but for what you get, it's super budget-friendly. Got a hand price to US Mobile here. So, coverage and reliability. Well, Verizon practically owns the reputation there. Their coverage scores are insane, like 9.6 out of 10 in industry reports. You get top-notch service even if you're literally stuck in the middle of nowhere. They also prioritize their own customers, so your data's unlikely to slow down. Downside? You're paying a premium even if you just want the basics. US Mobile, meanwhile, kind of piggybacks off Verizon and T-Mobile towers. You get most of the US covered. The catch is your data is a lower priority than on Verizon directly, so in busy areas or miles out in rural land, you might see occasional slowdowns. Coverage definitely goes to Verizon here. All right, now, flexibility. Verizon. It's all about standard postpaid plans. You get a handful of entertainment bundles included, which is cool, but you pretty much have to pick from their menu, and yeah, you're signing up for a commitment. US Mobile, though? It's like Build-A-Bear for phone plans. Custom data, custom minutes, custom texts. Change it every month, seriously. Hate contracts? US Mobile's a dream. Only thing, if you max out their data add-ons, you'll start creeping into pricier territory. But still, flexibility, US Mobile destroys here. Oh, and here's something cool about US Mobile. Did you know you can actually jump between Verizon and T-Mobile towers depending on what's stronger where you live or travel? It's kind of like picking the VIP line at a theme park. Now 5G and data speeds. This is actually where Verizon flexes hard. Their 5G is basically the gold standard for streaming and gaming. You'll get the most consistent speeds day or night. The catch? That blazing fast 5G is mostly on their high-end plans, so yeah, you gotta pay up. For US Mobile, you do get access to 5G, whether it's on T-Mobile or Verizon's networks. Covers most places people live, but the priority just isn't there, so expect some slowdowns, especially if you're gobbling data nonstop. Plus, a max of 60 gigabytes high-speed data per month. For raw data power, Verizon's still the king. Let's talk perks and extras. This is where Verizon likes to roll out the red carpet. Streaming services like Disney+, Apple One, Walmart+, high-speed international roaming, device discounts, the works. Thing is, you only get all the goodies if you're dropping big bucks for their top-tier unlimited plans. US Mobile keeps things simple and cheap. You get things like global roaming and data rollover at a really reasonable price, but you're not getting that epic streaming bundle or major lifestyle perks. Perks? Gotta say, Verizon's got the wow factor. Device compatibility time. You know, both of these are actually super easy. Verizon works with pretty much every unlocked US device, and signing up for device financing is easy if you're buying directly from them. Only thing, their best deals tend to tie you into their ecosystem. US Mobile? You can bring almost any unlocked phone that works on Verizon or T-Mobile's network, use eSIM or physical SIM, nice and simple. Sometimes you have to dig around to get features like visual voicemail set up, but hey, overall, it's a tie in this department. Both play nice with most devices. Last up, contracts and commitment. Verizon, old school as ever, monthly or yearly contracts, termination fees, activation fees, you get the picture. If you bail early, they're not shy about adding fees. US Mobile is where things get breezy. No contracts, no credit checks. You just pay up front, prepaid, month by month. Tiny catch. You got to remember to pay each month, but no big deal. For people who hate commitment, US Mobile takes this round easy. Let's lay this all out on the radar chart so you can actually see where each carrier peaks and dips. Price and flexibility majorly favor US Mobile, while coverage and perks are all Verizon. Both do great at device compatibility. But when it comes down to overall value, one stands out more. So here's my honest take. US Mobile is pretty much the ultimate play for folks who want to save serious cash, avoid contracts, and tweak their plans every single month. It's perfect for lighter data users and anyone who just wants control. If you need ironclad coverage, top speeds everywhere, including the boonies, or you just love premium bundles, Verizon's still the big dog. But looking at the whole playbook, US Mobile's the winner for most people in 2025. Found this breakdown helpful? Why not grab your latest phone bill and see what you could save before switching? Seriously, don't just take my word for it. Run the numbers and see for yourself.